What's up? Good afternoon, Philippines. It is not morning because my friends are late today. Well, actually, let's start with last night. So last night, MJ was telling me he's going to Honda Bigbikes on EDSA. His cousin's getting ready to buy a bike. I've always wanted to go there, but I've never been to Honda. And I told them I'd meet them up there. I have no plans on buying a new motorcycle here in the Philippines right now, but I always wanted to check out Honda. Honda's got some new cool stuff they've come out with, and I thought, hey, I'll put a post on Facebook and just ask people what's their favorite Honda. Wow. A lot of you guys really like Honda. Like, that is the most attention I got to any post I've posted on Facebook, I think. So yeah, get that out of the way right away. I'm not looking to purchase a new bike here in the Philippines. Just curious to see what they have. I am looking to purchase a new bike in America. Could Honda persuade me into wanting one of those? I really doubt this dealership's gonna have a CBR 1000 RRRRRRR Fireblade RRR, but it's possible. It is called Honda Bigbikes. Now I'm probably gonna beat them there. They're probably past me right now. Yeah, traffic is back and alive in the Philippines. Yeah, I got a lot of comments, and it was like there wasn't a specific Honda that everyone liked. Everyone was posting like tons of different stuff. Dedicated bus lane. I don't know if that's a good or bad idea. I mean, it's good in a way, but there's only one bus. Imagine how much less traffic there would be if they had another lane. Not as bad as it was, but there it is. Honda Bigbikes. Turn right here. Okay.
You've arrived. Destination is on your right.
There it is. Alright, here we are. No face mask, no entry. How about a helmet? The helmet count? What does Honda Bigbikes have? I'm gonna try to walk in and see. Sanctioned off. You can't touch anything. There's the big ones. Honda Big Bike. This is a favorite, Honda CB650. What else we got? A bunch of 650s. Like I said, a favorite. 650, 650, 650, 650. It's all 650s. Oh no, this is different. What's this? African Twin. Yeah, that was another one that people were posting. These adventure bikes have become very popular. What's this? Rebel? That's my guess. Is that a Honda Rebel? Had a few people post that one too. I think if I had to pick a bike in here, well, there's no thinking. Definitely 100% for sure it's a CB650. Nice inline 4 naked bike by Honda. It's a nice looking bike. Gotta admit they did a good job. A bit expensive for 650 cc's. Yeah, inline 4 cylinder. Driving by here, I never thought it would be like this on the inside. This is actually pretty nice. That is a cool desk setup. Wow, look at that gold TMX. What's this? Test track? They have their own tiny little test track. Ooh, a CBR 600 F3. Don't think these are for sale. This is like display items. Yeah, I think this is a display room area. Showy. I've been looking for Shoei helmets before and I couldn't find anywhere that had them. 1640, that's not bad. Oh, this is the new one. This is what I was thinking of that everyone's talking about. ADV 150. That's a lot bigger than I thought it was gonna be. You got some little 150 CBRs back here, but I don't think you're supposed to go over there. I actually kind of like this PCX too. As far as the scooter, look at that. That's like luxurious. Much nicer than the NMAX, my opinion. Much more expensive too, but I heard they shake a lot. I don't know if that's true. That's what I heard. Where's MJ? Okay, break time. I want to find MJ, see what he's doing. That's neat, a little test track like that. I don't know, it's a little too small I think to really get a feel for the bike, but maybe, I don't know. Go around it 600 times. There we go, round 2. MJ made it. Here's another one. What's this? Airblade 109,000. It's a little bit smaller. Yeah, that makes more sense in Asia though. Nice design on the headlights. 66K. Honda Beat. Yeah, the air blade's pretty neat. That must be a new one. Still like this better, I think. Enter the Bigbikes.
Yeah, looks good on me. The seat height?
Yeah, the seat height and the width of it.
Uh-huh.
Kind of wide.
Oh. What the fuck?
What was that?
The light.
Oh, I thought I did.
Has ABS, inverted forks. This 650, right? 650cc. The headlights kind of dope as well. The LED, the angel eye on it. 4-cylinder, of course.
4-cylinder, yes.
Look at that swing arm.
African. I think so. I'm not sure. I'm guessing it is. Look how low that seat height is. Is that the one you're getting?
Oh yeah.
Blue? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 CB 650s in stock. Buy me. CMX 73K. 600 F3. Vespa looking Honda. Oh yeah, I had people talking about this too. Super Cub. Like it lasts forever. Leon, I remember your comment. ADV 150. Have to admit, this one's kind of neat. And it's way bigger in person than I thought. Honda actually messaged me about covering their event releasing this. I seen the email too late. I didn't end up going to it. Oh, test ride the CB650. Little test drive track out here. I'll test ride that thing. I'm actually kind of curious to ride one of those now.
Subscribe. You're too close.
No, it's widening.
Subscribe.
Loud. So there's the CV150s, the Repsol edition and the other one, but we can't go back there and look at the CBRs.